Hello students, today we are going to discuss the reactions of metals with acids. Some metals react vigorously with dilute acids. Some metals react rapidly. Some metals react slowly, whereas others do not react at all. Practically, if we perform experiment with small pieces of metals like magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron and copper with dilute acid, we can observe the rate of formation of hydrogen gas bubbles carefully. See here, we have taken 5 test tubes with 10 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid. First test tube we have taken magnesium, piece of magnesium. Second test tube, piece of aluminium. Third test tube, piece of zinc. Fourth test tube, piece of iron. And last we have taken piece of copper. As you can see, the rate of formation of bubbles in case of magnesium is fastest. Then it decreases from magnesium to aluminium, then to zinc, then to iron. Last test tube where we have taken copper, no hydrogen gas bubbles are formed at all. So the reactivity decrease from magnesium to aluminium to zinc to iron to copper. So from this we can get the reactivity series. What is reactivity series? Of metals in order of decreasing reactivity is called the reactivity series. Here you can see that reactivity decrease gradually from potassium to sodium to calcium to magnesium to aluminium to zinc and rest. Now the question is, why do some metals react with acid and some don't? The answer lies in the reaction. Let us see the reaction. When the metal reacts with acid, salt of that metal and hydrogen gas are formed. Here you can see sodium react with HCl, form NaCl and hydrogen gas. Magnesium react with dilute hydrochloric acid, form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Aluminium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, forms aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. Here we have taken 3 metals. First metal sodium, valency 1, second metal valency 2, third metal valency 3. Now we will see the split up reaction. We know that acid in aqueous solution dissociates and form hydrogen ion and the corresponding anion. See the split up reactions. Sodium plus hydrogen ion plus chloride ion. After reaction, chloride ion remains as it is. Sodium change into sodium ion and hydrogen gas form. Sodium donates or gives 1 electron, thereby form sodium ion. Hydrogen takes that electron and form hydrogen gas. So here sodium donates electron, that is loss of electron, it is oxidation, and here gain of electron, it is reduction. So actually what is happening? Sodium donates its electron to hydrogen and thereby reduced hydrogen ion of acid to hydrogen gas. So from this it is clear those metals which lose electrons, more easily than hydrogen can displace hydrogen from dilute acids. The metals like copper, argentum, that is silver, they lose electrons less readily than hydrogen. So they don't react with the acid. You can understand why some metals react with acid and some do not. Now one thing, the metals who give electrons readily got the higher position in the reactivity series. In our life also, who donates or gives always get the higher position. Thank you.